on the roof.
And the roof like this. Two pipes. Two pipes.
Yes, 2 pipes.
One hot, one cold.
Going to be placed separately.
Yes. Now, each house will now have, there should be a pressure pump. So as water is coming from the central
On down.
Cold showers, no more high costs. Choose
This is where you are walking.
smarter, faster.
But there is a wall.
wires. Where is the DB of this?
There's one.
You see, that's why I come out like this. This is why I come out like this. They won't be needing this kind of box. You'll be needing that flexible hose coming out from the wall. So you crack the wall very well. Like, that's 250. That can contain 7 of this type of wire.
Okay. So now, direction of where you have the water.
Well, that pipe came out right? Now let the wire come out too. And
Choose road to trip smarter, faster. Road depth, powering comfort, saving you more. Road depth, drop brings the power, smart living real deal.
that is much fun to
Road
come
depth, hot water made right, cut your bills, sleep tight tonight. Solar strong saving.
We're here at Comfort Home Foresight Court Estate at
No more cold showers,
Katampe,
high cost.
FCT Abuja for yet another inspection on one of the terraces, one of the units of these terraces here. Like I told us before, that before installation of solar water heater can be done properly, an inspection must be carried out. So we're here on site inspection. We are faced with the engineer in charge of the building, the plumbers and the electrician. Everything is in to make sure that everything is in place before we come for installation. Remember, we said proper preparation prevents poor performance. For you to install solar water and enjoy it, make sure that inspection is carried out on your site. We are Rodotrep, and we are good at what we do. Call us on the following numbers on your screen to schedule a visit to your site on inspection before the installation of solar water heater. We are Rodotrep, and we are good at what we do. Thank you.
So,
Thank you so much. All right, I will do that.
Cut your bills, sleep tight tonight.